Welcome to the Harvest to Table video channel, where we help you grow your own fresh produce at home. Today we're diving into a crop that is a rewarding but long-term endeavor: asparagus. Asparagus is a hardy perennial vegetable, prized for its tender, flavorful spears that emerge in early spring. Asparagus is a long-lived crop, capable of producing for 15 to 20 years once established, though it takes about 2 to 3 years for young plants to become fully productive. This video will walk you through each step, from planting to harvesting and maintaining a healthy, long-lived asparagus patch. Let's get started. Where to plant asparagus? If you are planting asparagus for the first time, bear in mind that the plants can live and produce for up to 20 years. Choose a spot to establish your asparagus bed where the plants can remain for a long while. Asparagus plants can get tall. Grow them where they will not shade other plants. Choose somewhere sheltered from the wind and with good drainage. The soil should have a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. If the soil is light and sandy, you can grow asparagus on the flat. But if the soil is heavy with clay and poorly draining, then creating raised beds or ridges is essential to help prevent waterlogging. The plot should be completely free of all perennial weeds before you plant asparagus. Plant asparagus where it will get 6 to 8 hours of full sun each day. Because asparagus will grow in the same spot for many years, prepare the planting area by double digging to a depth of 16 inches. Work a thick layer of aged manure into the soil. This will loosen the soil and add nutrients. Asparagus is considered a cool season crop. It comes to harvest in the cool of spring each year. It grows best in regions with cold winters, which allow the plants to go dormant. Asparagus plants go dormant each year in order to store energy in their roots, ensuring healthy growth and a productive harvest in the next growing season. Asparagus requires patience. It takes 2 to 3 years from seed sowing to reach full production. Once established, your asparagus patch will be relatively low maintenance. Choosing an asparagus variety to grow. The first step to a successful asparagus garden is choosing a variety that suits your growing conditions and taste preferences. Here are a few popular varieties for growing in home gardens. First is Mary Washington. This heirloom green variety, known for its consistent yields and resistance to rust disease. Mary Washington has a mild, sweet, and tender flavor, making it a favorite for culinary use. There are several improved varieties developed for Mary Washington. These include Viking, Waltham, and UC 157. UC 157 is a heat-tolerant variety recommended for warm growing regions. Each of these is just as productive as Mary Washington and equally flavorful. Next is the heirloom variety, Purple Passion. It is known for its vibrant purple spears, tender texture, and sweet flavor, making it a unique and popular choice among gardeners and chefs. Next is Jersey Knight. This is a high-yielding, disease-resistant variety ideal for colder climates. Jersey Knight is a hybrid developed by scientists at Rutgers University in New Jersey. Other members of this hybrid strain are Jersey Giant and Jersey King, which grow especially well in colder parts of the country. One more variety to consider for the home garden is Atlas. Atlas is a robust, high-yielding variety known for its thick, straight, and uniform green spears with tight, well-formed tips. Atlas thrives in warm climates and is resistant to common asparagus diseases like rust and crown rot. It is a reliable choice for home gardeners. Check at a nearby garden center for additional varieties best suited for your location and climate. Getting asparagus started. Asparagus can be grown from seeds, seedling transplants, and crowns, which are dormant roots. Let's look at each of these growing methods. First, growing asparagus from seeds. This is the slowest way to get started, but when you start with seeds, you have the widest selection of varieties to choose from. Asparagus seeds need a head start because they germinate slowly and take time to establish. To set plants in the ground in spring, start the seeds indoors about 12 weeks before the last frost date in your area. Fill seed trays or small pots with damp, well-draining seed starting mix. Plant seeds 1/4 inch deep and lightly press them into the soil. Place the pots or trays in a warm, sunny location or use a heat mat. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Expect seedlings to emerge within 3 to 4 weeks. Once they sprout, move them to a location with bright, indirect light to encourage healthy growth. When your seedlings reach about 6 inches tall and the danger of frost has passed, they are ready to be transplanted into the garden. Space seedlings 18 inches apart in rows that are 3 feet apart. Asparagus plants develop extensive root systems, so give them plenty of room to spread. If you don't want to start asparagus from seeds, plant seedlings. Asparagus seedlings can be purchased from nurseries in spring and planted directly into the garden. A third way to start asparagus is planting crowns. Crowns are the dormant roots of 1 or 2 year old plants. Crowns are the fastest way to get asparagus growing because the roots are already established. Crowns are available from garden centers in spring. Plant crowns in trenches, 6 to 8 inches deep, spacing crowns 12 to 18 inches apart. Be sure to spread the roots evenly. Cover each crown lightly with about 2 inches of soil. As the plants begin to grow, add soil around the plants, filling in the trench. Because crowns are established roots, spears for harvest develop in just 1 to 2 years, a year quicker than plants grown from seeds or seedlings. The time to start asparagus in the garden is when the soil temperature has reached about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, about the time daffodils bloom. Caring for asparagus plants. Establishing a healthy asparagus bed requires consistent care. Every year, you must pay attention to watering, fertilizing, mulching, and pest management. Asparagus plants need consistent moisture, especially during their early growth stages and hot weather. Water deeply once or twice a week, ensuring the soil stays evenly moist, but not soggy. Asparagus is a heavy feeder, especially as it grows and produces spears. Fertilize the plants with a balanced organic fertilizer, such as 10-10-10, in early spring, midsummer, and late fall each year. Organic gardeners can use well-rotted compost, aged manure, or a side dressing of bone meal for sustained nourishment. Each spring as plants appear, apply a thick layer of organic mulch, such as aged compost, straw, or shredded leaves. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature, creating an ideal environment for healthy roots. Remove weeds that compete with asparagus for nutrients and water. Hand pull weeds carefully to avoid disturbing the shallow asparagus roots. Managing asparagus pests and diseases. Asparagus is relatively low maintenance, but it is not immune to pests and diseases. Pests that can attack asparagus include cutworms and asparagus beetles. Handpick beetles and cutworms and destroy them or spray them with insecticidal soap. Diseases that can harm asparagus include rust and root rot. Rust is a fungal disease that causes orange spots on foliage. To prevent rust, improve air circulation by spacing plants properly and avoid overhead watering. Root rot is caused by overly wet soil. Adding compost to the soil before planting and side dressing plants with compost each year will promote good drainage. And now, harvesting asparagus. Patience is key when growing asparagus. New plants take a year or two to mature and produce a full harvest. During the first year after planting, do not harvest spears. Let the plants produce tall fern-like foliage as they establish strong root systems. 2 years after planting, you can harvest asparagus, a few spears from each plant. Harvest finger-thick spears over a couple of weeks. Snap or cut spears when they are 6 to 8 inches tall and before the tips start to open. Let skinny spears grow into ferns. The 3rd year after planting and beyond, you can harvest a full crop over a period of 4 weeks each spring. Snap or cut spears at ground level with a sharp knife or scissors. Stop harvesting when spears become thin. Allow the remaining shoots to grow into foliage and replenish the plant's energy reserves for harvest the following year. Asparagus spears will break naturally where the tough part meets the tender part. Just bend the spears over and they will snap. Overwintering asparagus and long-term care. Because asparagus is a perennial crop, it requires consistent care each year. It is important to prepare the asparagus patch for winter to ensure healthy plants the following spring. First, in late fall, when foliage has turned yellow, cut it back to a few inches above the ground. Second, apply a thick layer of aged compost or mulch over the bed to insulate the roots during winter. Finally, in early spring, remove the mulch to allow the new spears to emerge. These 3 simple tasks will keep your asparagus patch productive for many years. Storing and enjoying asparagus. Freshly harvested asparagus is best enjoyed immediately. Asparagus can be quickly prepared by steaming, roasting, sautéing, or grilling. Serve asparagus with simple seasonings like olive oil, salt, and pepper, or paired with lemon, garlic, or Parmesan for extra flavor. To store asparagus, wrap spears in a damp paper towel and store them in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. For longer storage, blanch spears in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, drain, and freeze them in airtight containers. And there you have it. Growing asparagus is a commitment, but the rewards are well worth the effort. With proper care, your asparagus bed will produce tender, flavorful spears for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Harvest to Table video channel for more tips. We'd love to hear about your asparagus growing journey. Please leave a comment below. If you'd like to see our complete asparagus growing guide, go to harvesttotable.com and enter Grow Asparagus in the search bar, or see the link below. Thanks for watching today, and as always, happy gardening. See you in the next video.